Okay, so let's just talk a little bit mechanical compaction, which is the simplest method to form so-called green body. Again, green body means the ceramic body before you fire, before you sinter, before you heat treat, so that you bond the particles together. Mechanical compaction or pressing is just the simplest method. And typically, we may do this so-called in dry condition or so-called semi-dry. Dry condition, less than 2% of water. But sometimes in industry production, people use semi-dry pressing with some moisture, can be significant, 5% or even higher. And for dye compaction, we use them for simple shape. Make sense? You're pressing a pellet by mechanically. Mostly I can get a disc, also called short cylinder. Disc or short cylinder because it's at least isotropic in around a circle. I can release the stress distribution is reasonably uniform. Make sense? And easier to remove the pellet. And the modes of operation, here we show different kind of like modes of operation. The first one called single action mode, which means the bottom of my support is fixed. I'm only lowering from the top. Okay. The second one is so-called a dual action mode. I'm pressing both from the top and from the bottom. The last one is floating mode. This one, the top one fixed, and the mode together with it. Okay,